Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Wakapito YLTD, aka MCBcom number 7 Kashangani Just Net Lapunje, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, this is your boy, the one and only Chominango Jabati, the one and only co-hoster of the No Filter Chat. The only podcast Lemai. It's about Amatini, so that's why I went bang my phone. See, Bonnie. The reason why I bang my phone is because people No Filter Chat. Maybe basically in Zulu. But you were in there. You were in there. Agnama. Yeah, you engekho.
Yeah.
Bekuba yiyo bafethu. So yeah, bafethu niyazi man man bafethu we are here to say a lot man. But not only based on a show, but then it's based on a show esibuya kuyo and based on No Filter Chat. Might based on No Filter Chat. Since esikhuluma konke.
Yeah, okwenzekile.
Yeah.
But before we start the show, Bafethu, please click that like button, that share button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell to get notified next time I drop. And please, guys, welcome to No Filter Chat. So Jayam, let's show you my 2K. Bespete St. Emmanuel's. Bespete Infamous Gospel Choir. Bespete PSW. Then Bespite YMH, Young Musical Healers.
Young Musical.
Yeah, man. Okay, tanga. Exciting like Benja show, Benja.
Oh, tanga.
How
my
was
side, ne?
Yeah.
Like Shuti. Shuti, I cannot tanga, but ungaplay na pati unkulunkulu yahlela.
Yeah. Facts.
You understand?
Facts.
Shuthi wena ungaplay mawuthi kusasa ngifuna ukuba so or ngifuna iplan lami welanga lami so but then uNkulunkulu uzothi mntanami leyo iplan wena ne angibona ukuthi ingaba the way ifuna ngakhona ithi mayikunikeze le engakenza ukuthi ibe ngakhona. Understand? Shuthi the reason why ngikhuluma kane it's because a lot happened down show we didn't expect in China.
Yeah, asikhulume tanga. Asicale ngada in terms of support before siye show njami. Asicale ngesupport njayami. Okay, before sicala ngesupport asiyenze la so njayami. Let's rate it before sicala sikhulume ngale lesirate. Asithi there is bad, there is average, there is good, and then there is excellent.
It was good njayami.
It
was good njayami.
Yeah.
Because mina ngifuna from today ne ngifuna ama chorister we the Infamous Gospel Choir njami bayithathe lento bayibekela emahlombe uthi bona they got support outside. Ngifuna
it's a must
today yabona
it's a must
from today ngifuna labantwana nomphathi wabo umphathi we the Infamous Gospel Choir njami ayithathe nayo lento ayibekela emahlombe. You understand? Ayibona ukuthi tanga thina sine support tanga out there tanga Thimbisa Soweto. Tanga even
count them all.
There was Katlehong.
Tanga, there was D1.
Tanga, imagine dog. And then laba ne mangasho. We have never tanga. Abanye abantu who were there tanga, we have never supported them.
Yes, guys, don't support them.
But then they were there. You understand? I ukuthi ngoba bokucula ini. They were there to support the Infamous Gospel Choir njaya.
Or a show as a whole.
Or a show as a whole. You understand? Then abanye okay, they were there to witness. Yabona abo Messi nabo Tafi because ababazi babona na to social media.
Tanga mara mina nguza tanga ubala makhwaya wangaphandle. Why ungabala?
Hayi ngiyamaye tanga ne ngiyamaye
why ungabali la
it's inkinga yabona ikasi ayibone ukuthi it's even affecting abantu abasharp.
Yeah, facts.
You understand?
It's
even affecting abantu abakasi. That's why. So it's ngizungise tanga there was even tanga like us tanga there was the saint there was tanga pure Sounds of 1520 there was tanga Inhlakanipho there was tanga Kefas Nyoka there was Umathi Blessed.
Yeah.
You understand? Then there's other shorts.
So laba abantwana mangibabonanga mara vele.
Yeah.
Mina honestly speaking ngibone Almighty ne Kefas neNhlakanipho Pen. Oh, ne Saints.
Tanga, there was Tanga. I didn't mention Ravaza, Tanga.
Yeah,
Tanga, Ravaza, Tanga. Nabantwana bakhe ibakhona,
Yeah.
Bakhona, Tanga, Bonsako. You understand? Bakhona, Tanga.
So tanga masingathi say-rate nje support isithule out of 100.
100 Tanga is too big. Just say 10.
Out of 10.
Out of 10, yeah.
Okay.
Out of 10 times supporter like us, I'll give it like a 4.
May I give it a 3?
Okay, you agree with me a 4. But then there's no difference, Tanga. It's just a slightly difference. Yeah, well, shooting. Tanga, shooting na among Tabangane. How many shows like us I've went to or I've attended?
Angikhumbuli kuneshow like asi. Oh, bekuyile
ile yesonto le ukuthi amongeni keep story. It was the only show. La ikasi ngatanga mina angivayanga Tanga.
le icini.
Yeah, le icini. There was the only show, but then all the shows Tanga bathi ikhwa ya like us iya host like us home ground yaba ngisho. So we gotta support them ngisho. They need our strength ngisho. So
Mele school sa.
So that time sabet Tanga sithole Tanga. Outside
so kahle anyways ngasho ukuthi it was 10% ekasi 90% outside.
Yeah, outsiders njalo. Yeah, ngayibeka kanjalo Tanga.
Yeah, nami ngibeka kanjalo
cause mangazivele ngiyayibheka Tanga it was bad Tanga. Shuthi if besingana support Tanga outside yo it was bad.
It
was bad, Mpane. Like very bad. Like very bad. Mara siya host like us. So mina ngibona ngathi imfeno Tanga nemele iye ukuhosta like us.
Iye
ngaphandle. It's a pity
ukuthi
Tanga no. It's a pity ukuthi ne okay yeah ayiqhubeke then
because
still support yangaphandle.
So yini inkinga?
So ukuthi sicula kamnandi or as lento
no mina
ukuthi maybe as to
I saw a post but ulona bekuyi comment lo ngicavise yona bathi ufaya mele alungise I-discipline. This is a Tony support.
Man, ubani nje lo ubani kamali uThabanga yakena Tanga
uthabisa
uThabanga shukuthi abantu yeah
enjoy discipline kanjani makai
like ingenapi idiscipline
mina understand
like you gotta attend the show
I understand
like kanjani okay ibheke lento lene angisho bathi Tina ne Juice Fam as one we fighting. Okay, when
Juice Fam was there.
And be ikuletha sakhona. Some of our choristers.
Yeah, bavayile
abunjima ngazi nobani.
Yeah. Namkeni
unjimi. Okay, unjimi went there. Yeah. So mina nginalento lokuthi if it is like that ngabe untwana didn't go there. Yeah, understand. Ngabe they didn't. So lento le yakhe ninjani tane. Choristers abazwani.
Bona madala
side. You understand? Tanga phela ebangkwajisa nini. Hayibo. Uba ujabulo sheriff. Tawala. Shuthi akena what happened Tanga.
Yeah.
Shuthi angisho le uXolani usushi.
Yeah.
He posted all the shows were like us.
Yeah.
Then Prince Prince no, the organizer in Finos.
Yeah.
He was like, oh, let's shoot the issue Yamatata, poster issue le Yamatuke.
Yeah.
You understand? Then untwana uyabuya unjawulo sheriff. Uthi ayinota lungisa inkulumo yakho. Hayibo, alungisa inkulumo yakhe akanjani kubeni there's babiza ngani angesilungu Tanga. Babiza ngani Tanga nje Tanga.
There's
like ukuthi Angisazi tanga mina phela isiZulu ngisifundanga. Tanga yabona lento uyenza tanga uxolani tanga ukuthi angafake yethu i-poster ne.
Yeah.
Like shoes tanga in a way he's keeping us outside.
Oh.
You understand? Shukuthi thina ekasa.
Mina I want to get the point ukuthi why bakugwajisa.
Ngisaya lapho.
Yeah.
You understand? So awuntwana angisho kuba ngathi mawuprince okhulume kabi. Kanti awuntwana uyazibuka angiphethe then like obviously like yini lento vele obuye like into ungaposta ukudeni yabo. And I was like oh shoot ikhombene ke. You understand? And then mina I was like I'm mfethu shoot
Kuma comments.
Yeah, kuma comments. Mina I was like after unjabulo community mina I was like Prince shoot unjabulo ufuna umbhalele angesizulu because ngathi isilungu akasi-understand. You understand? Abantwana abuya athi mina or athi ingajwayelani. Yabo? Mina ngithi ngiyatatazela. Ibuye futhi uthi abasengitshela ukuthi ingajwayelani ngithi I'm shivering. Yeah, you understand? So untwana like angaze ngibona into nakhona kusho yeah yona ikangikwajisela yona. I didn't see the reason. You understand? So mfethu ngikwajisa then what credit do you get afterwards? Nothing. It was pointless ukuthi ayisho nokuyisho into ukuthi mfethu angijwayela hawo hayibo engithukanga musmini. You understand? So yadlula tanga le yabona ukuthi abuya ke umntana kini uThabanga ngisho azothi discipline kanjani.
Okay, mina I'm confused.
Lapha yakena usabene usabu ufaka ino-filter chats.
Kahle uthi ama-chorister.
Because angazothi ama-chorister ufana analaba abanye abazothi ile Infinos eyenza ino-filter chats. Uyafana tanga na. Because ama-chorister tanga ngibona utanga bona tanga bayadelela tanga mayama ukuthi no it's only it's only i-podcast tanga eyakasifundo no walk. It's only sifundo no walk nama guest wakhe. Wow.
And akusithi la.
La ama guest. Ilaba abaswetanga abakena indaba zabo.
Hayi
shuthi tanga netanga abasikile ikhekhe tanga nathi tasilile tanga lokho tanga size enjoy tanga
wakuyini
tanga sibe noshukela tanga i-hype yo
wakuyini
shuthi ayabonga ukuthi ayazi intangane la ekasi tangane ino-filter chat tanga shuthi it's here for a reason tanga into engibonile tanga mina.
Yeah.
It's here.
Calling.
Yeah, calling man.
Calling
bafana bami yazi ne shuthi uNkulunkulu yabona phela uNkulunkulu bathi ubona tanga alezi ezifihlile. Ezijavile. So ungakhola uNkulunkulu usifanisa tanga abantwana bakhe. For
abantwana bakhe.
Yithi abantwana bakhe. To show abantwana bakhe the lights. You understand? That's why ngisho tanga ngisho tanga abantu abavuka umoya ngisho bathuma uNkulunkulu. Yana sithuma uNkulunkulu ke manje. Ukuthi siveze tanga lokhu tanga abakenza tanga emfihlakalweni.
Okay, so iDavidson ayisupportanga.
Hayi iDavidson ayisincanyo angazi hayi taka. Ukuthi sikhula ngama-octaves.
Asiye lapho. Asiye lapho. Nama-octaves wakho tanga. Okay, la asikhulume ngeshow ke yami.
Sesikile showini. Ngabona mina Daniel.
Eshowini nje yami.
Ubona mina umphathi nje ongenze anga-enjoy show.
Yeah,
tough.
Away. Facts. Yo, facts. Okay,
yakena why?
Wasicale la. Did you win the show? Awukhulumela Infinos manje. Nami ngizoyikhulumela.
That's why okay ima siyaza lapho ne. That's why ngithi ngiyabona umuntu ongenze ngi-enjoy show.
Tough.
Shothi tough itanga ne. Singelila ngisho ngangafiki. Wafika ngathi sihlikile. Yeah, ufika ngathi sihlikile.
Tanga singenile angakafiki kanjani because lo muntu uyile washaya ne-sound check. Lo muntu okay
yenza la. Okay.
Shaya ne-sound check.
Yeah, shaya ne-sound check. Shukuthi
PS-Tab ifikile.
Yeah, PS-Tab ifika.
Nomesi ufikile. Yeah.
So shukuthi untwana ne. Shukuthi okay masicitha ukuhlika wangena ngisho. Fika wacula tanga uThafu ne. Akahlika uThafu ne. Uthe sifundo. Ungizwile ngitranspose. Ngithi kuzwile uthi transpose ke nawo. Yo, wathi imphasi manje ukuthi manje somele manje ngitshela ufaka uthi 5 and wayenza konke transpose. Shuthi ufaka showcase transpose. Ngangithola
abize
tanga hayi shoot tanga ne ashada ngoma tanga sazi kuyipi ngoma tanga sishaya tanga ejospoza ngithola ngihlike kula mase kazoshaya i-dust coat yakhe lemhlobo
yeah
sika tanga ngithi kuye mfana ngizwile ngitransport uthi mfana ngimamele ke mina ayo inverter manje
shama inversion
yo
shama inversion man
tanga sho ukuthi safta ngoma ngibona yes okay fair kula manje yazini uthi ungizwile ngisho ngithi tanga kuzwile ithi ya ngena ke nawo uyenza kangcono kula mawufa azoshaya ibonga ukuthi tona yamuza ozoba conduct apha ngibonga mfana ngangithatha awayeshada untwana tanga tanga sitranspozisile tanga mnandi sitranspose kamnandi ngayifaka ilenta ishit tanga shuthi untwana ne sicale asarenga tanga on app ngithola shuthi uye ekayifuna tanga uyibonga untwana ngomele ashaye ilukhangela ngithola
okay tanga khona into yenze
siyeza lapha ngibonile ngase angakhwela angakhomba ufaka ngathi uyezwa
I was doing an interview. I think being interview Paseka nobani khona enye.
Naleyo khu le general.
Yeah, general.
General.
And I was doing an interview down my son. I was like, what the hell? ngayekela into engiyenza manje ngiyobona
general tawuringini tanga general khuluma
wafethu stage
interview guys general tawukhuluma general tanga bakhuluma kena la ngabantu
bakhuluma tanga khona tshela upaseke ezinye indaba zakhe fast wamuthi fast
wabamncane seselabo bendaweni so tanga ngithe utanga yabona tanga ngisasho yabona tanga mina for influence tanga ne for my side it was a tough match tanga for influence ngoba tough kuphela
so in a way tanga we were trapped.
I won't say we're trapped.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Okay, when if we win or lose.
Win or lose, tanga. There has to be one.
Tough. Sometimes games we speak sana phela speak sana inkulumo ayenze lento angisombathi ngiyabona ngabe yomphatha ngabe ekatshela ufire tanga lento tanga yazini tanga ne ngizobangcoma utshela mina tanga ngiyacula tanga mina bayangiculisa tanga tanga usho ukuthi untwana tanga I feels like tanga into ayenza ukuthi tanga hlike tanga athi mfana ngizwile ngisho mangizule yenza kangcono manje mina okwambhathi ngimbona that sengilapha stage manje ngithi mfana ngichofa ngithi mfana falo umuntu lo ungasosona yabo utheki mfana manje ndoda namangifika ndoda mele ngimtshela something that umuntu lona nje yapi hacho asomna tanga uthatha tanga made my show tanga utanga nyini
nega flexible
tanga uthatha flexible
yeah
uthatha ngimkhala
okay nje askip ikhaya yakho kancane tanga between uThafi St. Emmanuel's ne PSW.
Tough.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2 ne, I'll give this to China. Reason being akena yini? Lukhangela. Wacula nengoma eSaint Emmanuel's.
Tanga uzihlanganise
Hlanganisile tase zoyi3.
Z3.
Ne young musical cala tanga lethu. Wacula tanga Saint Emmanuel's.
Emmanuel's, yeah. And then
Sicabanga abo Saint Michael's. Abo Saint Emmanuel's no wacula tanga ni young musical healers. I am God. Yabona la tanga shoot lukhangela. Tanga
yonke into.
Basuka la benhle khona tanga imali lapha ufaka tanga ngisho lapha emuva tanga ngase kitchen.
Yeah.
Fire uyazona umuntu eksani wena mfana fa usmile kuphela tala kuyazona umuntu oyenzani lo
Clap one. Clap.
tala kodwa uyiflex ngama
Ushaya
phela
tanga enye tanga what you call? Yini into nje siyibiza phela la ngilahlekela legama. Medley.
medley ya
Shiny medley bro. Uyenye.
let's sine postoli medley awishayile this one tanga I'll give tanga the second place tanga China tanga ala tanga ishayile tanga la
Ulandelile.
tanga isho bimnandi tanga this one tanga ama show tanga ne
Ama 2K.
ama 2K
On.
Angie this one na asitanga ukuthi yabona tanga ne when it comes to influence tanga ne mayizothi I host ama show angibona ukuthi kakhulu the first priority ukuthi bayenze imali ngathi le is our number 2 to them.
Second.
First tanga ne gibo it's like ngathi gibo kufana it's like my uya music ubheka yena kucala ubheke nalomuntu lo ukuthi okay
Ucula naye.
yeah nokuthi mfethu la angenzeli mina ngenzela abantu ebayokhipha imali zabo
Bezeda.
phela la tanga umuntu okhipha imali yakhe tanga maybe amagcina tanga azobuyela wena you understand
Kwazibala.
yeah you understand so la tanga it's based on music hayi ukuthi ilento lokuthi yeke ukuthi makucula wena baphuma abantu I mean amakuthi like amaqeda ukucula
Kayakela binabantu abancane ngaphandle.
Etanga sotanga.
Isincane.
Lesincane.
Tanga majority biseholweni tanga.
bafuna ukumamela wonke umuntu ongenayo
Tanga.
this tanga abathi show bafethu senzeleni into ngathi
Behambela.
ehambele naye like hambelana with your genre njalo yangithola ukuthi wena ucula kanje ichorale yanganise for example
Lo ucula kanje.
naye lo yabo it blends in a way so it's true this show tanga bimnandi tanga I don't wanna lie njalo boy 2K yamampela tanga alewe 2K yamampela alexemi yamampela tanga le
Semi nyamampela tanga. Ibezikhala tanga.
tanga ngeke tanga so oh man Bing tanga
Siqhwepiwe.
Thina siqhwepiwe tanga certificate tanga utsaf tanga ne utsaf tanga ne
Siqhwepiwe mfana.
lakini utsaf tanga ne
Yeah.
shu utsafi angaxepa yonke khaya anayikazi sa sikuchela mina
Each and every choir like us.
yeah angayixhwepa untwana tanga no cap yonke music tanga
Tanga mina on my defense njayami.
eketa music tanga kantona tanga it's
On
fraud
my defense
tanga
mina njayami ne. On my defense mina njayami. Oh delay. Okay. On my defense mina njayami. Akeze ukuthi show manje. Manje sengimfuna via day.
oh nam okay
Yeah.
what's up tanga
Manje ngimfuna
simkela
via
two
day.
night shows tanga
Yeah, sisitule naye 2 manje kumanage.
nam simfuna day show
Sengimfuna ukuthi show manje.
siza ukuthi competitive
Because ngathi abantwana basikhaya baqale baye endaweni zabo kuqala before bayishow.
bayashowini
Tanga besikhathele tanga bebakhathela abantu.
bakhethe ukungabi isikhatheni
Yeah,
ngabekhathela
yeah, bebakhathela.
bebakhathela
No tanga siyi team tanga mangithi tanga.
okay
Sinala song.
oh so shuthi
Choir
abazodlo
bekhathele.
so abazodlo akawashekanga so nathi asiwashekanga
Let's justify it tanga, let's justify.
okay it's fine asiwashekanga sonke
Tanga babona umuntu ongawashekanga enkhwela bethi Inferno zayiwashekanga. Bayisho kanjalo. Bayisho kanjalo.
okay asiwashekanga ke
So last year team one die we all die. Yeah. My tanga
one coffin
ngibacela nje ukuthi ishow mina bafethu my guys.
Still young musical healers good day show one on one
Show manje please. Please.
the Influence Gospel Choir and young musical healers
Sibona ukuthi
one on one
mangabe yahlulana vele maqhawe via music sesenicela magogo.
once
Sesenicela magogo. Kanti sibone ukuthi ubani mayo strong. Yayizwa ke manje.
So
Uxwepiwe.
yeah, mina mhlwephe.
You were trapped.
Cha ngiyivuma.
I agree now.
Akuthi angikwazi ukucula.
How sicule dance sizilo.
Akuthi tanga.
For the fact ukuthi sizilo.
Yabo for the fact ukuthi because tanga what I've noticed akena abanye abantu tanga la outside ne. Shukuthi yakena abanjani. Ukwazi ukucula ngoba uyocula na ipipi kwayo.
Yeah, ukwazi ukucula ngoba uhostan.
Ngoba uhostan.
Yeah.
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 Kunjalo.
Yeah.
Like us.
Yes.
Like us.
Like us.
Yeah.
La elokishini.
Wena uplan music. Uplan music ngoba uhoste ba. You understand? Which is not the truth nje. Ayikho njalo into le. Like ukuthi uhoste ba ukuthi okay like la uthola khona inyuku you have money sure do so why not but then iflop ukuthi it's a pity ukuthi ale show le oyoyenza uyoyibiza yoba ne anone show ikasi lakho iflop ke leyo nje ukuthi ha akusase show musle so one show ukuthi okay usekasi lakho ubiza lo muntu lo then it happens ukuthi lo muntu ombizile sikaba anone show kwenye ikasi kanjani enotela
How so?
uthafe yanga na one show la hayi umisa yanga na one show no
PSW bengana one show.
So the show was that I'm one man show. It's a fact in Panay. But I shall next week.
Typical example.
Typical example. Says I no tune. Says I no tune. I been you one man show ya kina like us. Ngimtshela na uthilingithini uyazi. Bekunanga ngisho show.
Yeah.
Jothi nje lento igcokile le. Yewani one man show.
Sikhulume ngalento yakho legcokile. Why? Mafethu le awuthi confusile yazi. Akubongishe hlase imfino zapha then uthi blow le nayizivele.
You want me to explain?
Bafile kanjani bafethu because I saw them there.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe they asked themselves. Okay, mina umuntu onkenye tanga wezini ekalapha ne. Ilo panda lo Zinjuni.
Yeah.
Yonke because we talked okay. Then umunye okay usibuka obvious. Then maybe bambuze then una yini manje? Maybe bambize ngempatha la ngale.
Usayigcokile lo manje. Uwe la.
Shukuthi yakena ngempendana. Abangathi bayangicosha uyami kwaye ayikho kwaye ngathi you can reach my standards through music. Because ngisho I'm comparing lambu yakhona the wink in music ngakhona phela manje. Then mangicabanga lo muntu engumamela. Yo untambana mina yayinhliziyo yami mfanayo yabona ngabathi nginomoya moya wami engengivumile tawo amanye tanga amakhwayo weba yacula isonto. I don't want that tanga mina. I want ukusetshenzwe tanga
Crack ingcono.
tanga yes tanga so tanga music tanga I love Zimpa. It's unfortunate ukuthi ngicula ile Infinite Gospel Choir angizolo mara iphathi ukuthi izing izakucala. Izingane izakucala my own choir. There's no other choir ngathi ngayi-add mina tanga. There's no other choir njalo.
Uwe la.
Yimi da
Zingfem.
Abona nga tanga despite ukuthi like I've relationship there dog yeke izingane angayithanda without any relationships. You understand? No.
And abanye abajita tanga baphethe enye aura tanga lapha. Tanga the baby abangakhona lapha eshowini tanga. Kontala bafethu lapha.
Izi
bayafrustana.
Izi
tanga phela khona laba bazichiftela khona abise bahlala lapha ngaseyolweni yabona ntakolo ice. Yibo la.
Tanga zintanga yakena tanga ne. Mina for mina there's no other tanga choir for me personally for izing. Ayikho engikwaya sazicula the way ngifuna khona njengezinye influence phela mina ngoma tanga abantu ba angathi hey wena 20 zima sikubona like uculi thing mababi kwa yakho so ngoba ngicabanga yakhe choir if bengicabanga yakhe choir will complain. It's unfortunately ukuthi
But if I want you to complain though.
if they complain itanga I'm sure they should have came to me. I'll tell awuculela ngisho kumolo I'll be like damn
Eh bana uyoswaba yo. Kube niyenzile ma Hotman. Yo, etanga uyoswaba tanga.
why no khona
Uyoswaba.
no phela akena tangane like I'm asking myself okay if that happened why Fethu I'm number one fan to akuyabona ngabe kuya ngamntana ngabe izintanga la yakhona ngikhona
Kube kuya ngawo.
yeah kube kuya ngabe kuya ngamntana ngabe mina ne I'm asking my parents ukuthi ngicela bangithengele indlu ngithembisa bangithengele tanga and they pay every month they
Bangazizekile.
tang angisacalwe ngila ngikhona manje mfana ngeke tanga so mina tanga mnizing tanga ya tanga all for me tanga musically the way sikosa ngakhona
And then bebane performance the following
day yes they came abanye bathi tanga bayacula kusasa ne they didn't page so it difference tanga lapho
ayikho. Yefana.
so abathi ngizwe tanga bathi okay I've heard tanga ukuthi abanye the reason why bangekho tanga ne like buhali so ibanye in umgidi
Oni.
same thing what is another was or something like that
Oh, well, Lindel. That's Saturday.
Umgidi wasekibo I require so that's why yabo maka ya man tanga ezitanga imali zawo man abantu laba tanga man yazi
Yibo dami.
hayi wona mna man yayitanga yazi singasa stress tanga singaphinde sikhulume ngesupport difference sicedile man tanga tani interested tanga
Sithandwa ngaphandle.
sano ngaphandle man tanga
Sho kumele sicule ngaphandle.
sho mesicule ngaphandle tanga like akusizi tanga musitanga lo kusiza like icabana akusiza
Akusizi mpinjana. So still la ikasi basupportile abafethu bangaphandle baba baningi futhi. 10% yana ikasi. Ngitheni basupportile la ikasi? Basupportile ngaphandle. Basupportile ngaphandle. 80% or 90% ngaphandle. 10% la ikasi siyabonga abafethu. Khambani siyayivala.
It's rappy, bro. And my friends, there's more episodes coming.
Yeah.
I got to sweet.
Cooking,
I
guys.
sweet. My friends, we speak in the show. And yes, we speak na my podcast. We speak na my show. Me this nage everyone. Mas naga lo mele obvious everyone.
Okunye kuhlehla.
Clear. Ngabe bese nage I podcast promotion lapho promote show yethu.
So guys, sesibuyile ezweni.
Yeah, we back.
Stay tuned for more episodes.
Wait. There's a show coming in 16 May, but we have another night show.
Away.
Lapho yini iri
Angwazi tanga
iri
whole.
no yikemna le angikeni like inkinga angikeni okay angikeni
Riyaga bethu.
yeah inkinga ngisho ngikhuluma ngelimi so I can't pronounce it so yiyo Alex Melodies
Yeah.
So Healers na the Infamous Gospel Choir
Pe. Mina ngike.
not if 4 1 2 3 4 yeah it's 4 1 2 3 4 yeah I think it's 4 yeah it's 4 yeah Bafethu.
Marara was snake.
Orange Farm Bafethu will be there the Infamous Gospel Choir again night show you know that's
It's a
it it's a wrap
Click that subscribe button right now.
yeah